The Hyundai I20 2012-2020 features a straightforward radio system. This video guides you through the basic process of enabling and disabling the radio, which is essential for conserving battery, minimizing distractions, or troubleshooting audio problems. We'll cover both manual and steering wheel controls. The primary method to turn the radio on or off is using the power button on the head unit in the center console. Look for a round or rectangular button with the universal power symbol. Press it once to toggle the radio between on and off states. Higher trim models may have radio controls on the steering wheel. The mode button or volume knob can cycle through audio sources. Holding the power button located on the steering wheel also activates or deactivates the system. If your i20 has a touchscreen display, tap the radio icon on the main menu. Use the on-screen controls to power the radio on or off. Some touchscreens may have a dedicated power button icon within the radio interface. To mute the radio without turning it off completely, you can rotate the volume knob counterclockwise to decrease the volume to 0, or press the dedicated mute button located on the head unit or steering wheel. To disable radio audio entirely and switch to another source like CD or aux input, repeatedly press the source button on the head unit until the radio is bypassed. If the radio is unresponsive, first ensure the car's ignition key is turned to the ACC accessory position or fully on. The radio requires power from these modes to operate. If the radio still doesn't work, check the vehicle's battery charge using a multimeter. Low voltage from a weak battery can cause the radio to shut down automatically to conserve power. For digital radio models, try resetting by holding the power button on the center console for 5 to 10 seconds. This can resolve software glitches and restore normal function. Aftermarket upgrades like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay adapters bring modern wireless streaming capabilities to your i20. These adapters enable radio streaming from apps such as TuneIn and Spotify directly through Bluetooth, bypassing the older antenna system for improved convenience and features. Many owners retrofit Bluetooth-enabled head units, which allows seamless wireless connection to smartphones for streaming music and radio without relying on the vehicle's original components. Always prioritize safety. Never adjust the radio while driving. Use voice commands if available in later trims. Understanding these basic functions allows you to effectively manage your i20's audio system. Remember, aging components may fail. Repairs can cost $100 to $500 at dealerships.